Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on auto rotate screen in our vivo phone device. Guys, you want to own your auto rotate screen, so guys you can own it. And guys, now let's see how to own auto rotate screen in our vivo phone device. Guys, in this video guys, I will show you guys how can you own it. So guys, now let's see how to own auto rotate screen in our vivo phone device. So before starting video fans, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So when first of all open your phone setting to on your auto rotate screen. So we will on our phone setting. Then guys you can see your display and brightness. So I tap you. And guys you can see your auto rotate screen. So we will on it. And guys now you can see. So as you are using YouTube, guys you want to rotate your phone. So as you can rotate like that. So as you can see your phone is rotated guys. You can use your auto screen like that guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to on auto rotate screen in vivo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.